Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this bathroom floating shelf. This kit brings 3 shelves that you can hang on your walls in your bathroom or any other place that you need floating shelves. Let me show you how the shelves look. So this one, you could put your stuff on top, and then if you want to put a towel here, you can put a towel. So it's gonna look like that on the wall. This one is similar to the first one, but this one doesn't have the towel holder on the bottom. And then it has this one that you could put stuff on the inside and on top. And then it comes with your anchor screws and a screwdriver and a level, so that way it'd be easier for you to hang it. But I would recommend that you put this together with the power drill, because there are no pre-drilled holes, so you will have to drill your own holes in here. It's a good quality shelf set. So this is how it looks. So you just have to drill these holes, and the same as the other shelf, you have to drill these holes here, over here, and then with this one you will drill these holes here. Overall, this is a great floating shelves. I like the quality of the wood and of the metal material. I like how you're able to arrange them any which way that you want to arrange them. Installation is pretty easy. That you should use an electric drill to screw in the holes in here, only because since there are no pilot holes in the wood. And I like how it comes with the drywall anchors, so you could attach this to the wall.